Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Amy Nguyen, also known as Dr. Rejuvenation. Just wanted to share with everyone that Dr. Dallas and I are seeing patients back in the office. We're super excited to see everyone again. We're following the strict CDC guidelines and taking every precaution to ensure the safety of not only our patients, but also our staff.
So we wanted to give a special thanks to you, the patient, who are wearing masks to help protect yourselves, ourselves here in the office, so we can practice medicine safely.